Join me today as I give you a sneak peek of 4 Midwest Morel Mushroom Festivals that are taking place this spring in 2024. Many more festivals are listed in the description box. The Boyne City, Michigan Morel Fest is one of the oldest and longest running. It boasts a competitive hunt with trophies and prizes, a multi-course morel mushroom themed dinner at a local restaurant, and vendors in an outdoor square selling morels and morel-related items and other interesting gifts. Be sure to get tickets early for the tented Taste of Morels, where local chefs offer samples for a small fee of the morel mushroom themed dishes. It's fabulous. The Boyne City Festival runs from May 16th through the 19th in 2024. In Osseo, Michigan, you have all day to hunt for morels and then present them the day of the festival to possibly win a prize.
Osseo Festival hunters do not play. They come in heavy. Here's the Morel Mafia unloading their spoils. Incredible. Incredible. Who will win? Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, I can't get close. Look at that. Okay. Okay, these can go in. Look at this cutie. Oh, this team's got it. You guys have got it so far. You're crazy. I was the mafia is coming in. That's crazy. That is crazy. That's like 20 pounds of mushrooms. So these bags are what we're going to be bidding on.
She'll take care of it. Let's start the auction off with $50. Anybody got $50?
50.
We got 50 here. Anybody got 55?
55.
Right here. You're out.
55 in, 60. 60 back here, now 65. 65, I got 65 now, 70. 70 over here, anybody bid now $70? 65 back here, now 70. $70? $65.
The Osseo Morel Mushroom Festival is May 11th, 2024. The Ottawa Illinois Midwest Morel Fest is back in 2024 after a 5-year hiatus. This year, the Ottawa Morel Fest will have an educational lecture and family fun hunt only, no competitive hunt, vendors, and fresh morel mushrooms that have been certified for sale. Back in the day, they used to have a competitive hunt, of which I participated and won 3 of the last 4 years grand championship. 1 year I only took first because I stopped hunting after 45 minutes to help an octogenarian who was disoriented find his way back to the bus. The Ottawa Festival is fabulous, well organized, and fun. Welcome back. Saturday, May 4th, 2024, for the Ottawa Midwest Morel Fest.
Muscoda all day long! Woohoo! I'm from Muscoda, Wisconsin, capital of morel mushrooms.
They look all right. Oh, yes, you do.
The butter looks yummy.
You don't have
Morels all day long, baby. Yeah.
The Muscoda, Wisconsin Morel Fest in 2024 will offer cooked morels for sale, fresh morels for purchase, a chili cook-off, a steak dinner at the firehouse, vendors outdoors selling their wares, and much, much more. Join Muscoda May 17th in the evening and all day the 18th for the fun.